Kruger here with Mastering Inside Sales. And today we're going to learn 4 specific questions that can help you determine, does this client really want to wait, or are they just nervous about today's market, or really for any other reason pushing off moving? So here's what we're going to do. We're first going to talk about how to uncover a client's motivation. Then I'm going to tell you the 4 magic questions to ask to help them really get off the fence and either decide not to move or decide to go ahead and move forward today. So the first thing you want to do is find out the client's motivation. And that would sound something like, when you originally expressed interest in moving, what made you want to do that? And that question is great because if they're telling you they want to wait, you're not pressuring them in that question. You're simply saying, when you originally wanted to do this, what made you want to do it back then? As they answer you, just dig into it. So you could say things like, well, tell me more about that. How would that help your family? What impact will that have on your life or on your lifestyle? Spend about 3 minutes digging into their motivation. And by then, we know if you spent 3 minutes digging into their motivation, you should have the true golden nugget of motivation uncovered. Once you have that uncovered, you are now going to deliver the 4 questions. So here they are. Number 1, on a scale of 0 to 10, how motivated are you to make a move? Whatever number they tell you is completely fine. Number 2, what makes it that number? This question is really important because it's going to reveal to you either how motivated they are or also what objections they have. For example, common answers are things like, well, I'm an 8 because I really do want to do this. I want to live closer to my family, but what I'm concerned about is the current interest rates and overpaying for a house. So number 1, 0 to 10, how motivated are you to move? Number 2, what makes it that number? Number 3, and this is really the solution question. Number 3 is, what needs to happen for you to be a 10? This is going to tell you everything that you need to know as their real estate coach, because that's really what you are. You are their coach. This question is going to tell you everything that you need to know in order to help them move forward. So they may say, well, I just need to know that I'm not going to buy a house and then have it be worth less next year because I'm overpaying this year. That's what I need to know. If I could get that figured out, I would be a 10. Well, now you know how to help this client move forward and how to educate them. So the 3rd question again is, what needs to happen for it to be a 10? The 4th question is the confirmation. So the 4th question is, so what you're saying is, if we do XYZ, whatever they just told you, you would be a 10? And if they say yes, you now understand exactly what this client needs to move forward. These 4 questions have been a career changer. They have helped take clients that feel like, oh, they're not going to do something, and helped them self-discover and help us discover as agents, actually, we can fix this. We can help them move forward to their goal. So the thing I want you to remember is whether you are a listing agent, a buyer agent, or an inside sales agent, what you actually are is a real estate coach. And we all know that coaches have to have a goal to coach towards. So when you understand what the client's goal is, then our job is to help strategize and educate to help them get it. The only way that we're going to know how to do that well is if we ask lots of quality questions. So spend 3 minutes uncovering their motivation through open-ended questions, and then deliver the 4 questions. I guarantee you will have more clients moving forward because of implementing these methods. In some future videos, we're going to talk about some specific objections that are coming up right now in today's market. So stay tuned. Keep hanging out with me, and we're going to help navigate today's market. See you soon. Have a great day, guys.